welcome to everyone. I'm super excited to get this started and look forward to two really great days of amazing science and stimulating discussions.
I still can't imagine a better time to be in science. The drive, particularly in AI and biomedicine, is going to be too strong. It's going to move at an amazing pace, faster, I believe, than advances in the genome took place.
Being here is just a dream come true for me because I come from a pure computational background. So I saw a lot of legendary names that I only read on the manuscripts as the principal investigator in real life. So the tremendous surprise and honor to be here. And it is really, really inspiring conference symposium overall. A ton of discussion that's just really stimulating and inspiring.
I thought it was very interesting seeing the scope of problems that people are thinking about, how to learn from hundreds of thousands of images or thousands of spatial transcriptomics or single cell data sets. It was very inspiring to hear how big people are thinking about big problems and the solutions to those problems.
And one more good thing about this conference was usually you go to academic conferences, you may find some academic top people, but here I also saw many people from industry who are working on academic, but kind of somehow making sure that the industry and academia are on the same page.
And I think the poster sessions and the short talks for younger junior researchers are really helpful for kind of showing our work to this broad field, including people from industry and academia.
I believe AI is addressed in many contexts today, but we still have a gap when it comes to applying AI in biology. And we could see that many talks address this topic and into different applications. The way AI will reshape how we believe and how we conceive science is going to be massive in the next years.
It's on the intersection of machine learning and bio, which is right where I'm at home, and I'm enjoying that so many people with different perspectives come together and have different ways of thinking about problems, so usually it kind of inspires me.
I think the best part was also having the hallway conversations, being at the poster sessions, talking to people about science that you're doing yourself, and getting inspired by many new ideas, seeing how people are really engaged in that field and just being very excited about what the future for this field holds.
It's really cool seeing the just different diversity of topics that all these different researchers are talking about, and it's really giving this sense that biology is reaching this stage where we can start to think about how these different scales start to interact with each other with different data modalities. In the morning we saw people talking about images, and then later we saw people talking about tissues, but there's a lot of shared themes that I think are really interesting.
Dr. Emma Lomberg's talk is already very illuminating, and also all the talks from Allen Institute, with all these amazing institutions doing all the cutting edge research. Even though I'm reading literature, this occasion really brings me a lot of different perspectives to really illuminate my research. In general, I think this is really great, and I have a lot of fun just attending it, especially in person, and communicating with all these different experts.
It's great to follow up on past collaborations, but also think about what I could start in the future, get some inspiration on the interface here from cell biology to machine learning and how other people think about it.
There are many similar projects to what I'm currently working on spatial omics data, and I talked to several speakers to get more understanding of the area.
I'm really looking forward to this event just going on and on so we can keep coming back to it.
Yeah, I hope to come back next year. Thanks.